Now the next question, question number 9. Phytane is naturally occurring alkane produced by the alga Spirogyra and is a constituent of petroleum. The IUPAC name of phytane is given to us. Write zigzag formula. Zigzag formula is nothing but the bond line formula. How many primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbons are present in the molecule? So again, it is very simple. Okay, let us proceed with the question. Now, phytane, already we have been given the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name is 2, 6, 10, 14 tetramethyl. We have tetramethyl hexadecane. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. Clear? Now, the question given to us is phytane, the IUPAC name is 2,6,10,14 tetramethyl hexadecane. So hexadecane is basically, decane is 10 and hexa is 6. So basically I'm going to write down how many carbon? 16 carbon, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Let us quickly write down the numbering and check whether we have written it correctly. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay. Now coming to the substituents present. Now what all substituents are present? We have on the second position, on the sixth position, on the 10th position and on the 14th position tetramethyl group. That is 4-methyl group, right? So this is the bond line formula for phytane. Now in this bond line formula, let us quickly look into the number of primary, secondary and tertiary carbon, right? So if I look into this carbon is 1 degree carbon, right? This is 3 degree. Then this one is 1 degree. So all the terminals, remember all the terminals will be 1 degree. Okay, this is 1 degree. Again, this is 1 degree. And then we have here, this is also 1 degree. Clear? Now the third carbon over here, this is a 2 degree carbon. Okay, I'll just erase out the position because you should not get confused between the position and the type of carbon atom. Okay. Now let me write down. This is 2 degree. Then this one is again 2 degree. We have here 2 degree. Then again it is 3 degree. Coming to this one 2 degree. This is again 2 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree. Then again 2 degree, 3 degree and 2 degree. Clear? So this is how we are going to write down. Now there is a no quaternary carbon atom present in the molecule. So only we have a 1 degree. So let us quickly write down how many 1 degree or that is primary carbon atom we have. So primary, secondary and tertiary. Let us quickly count the number of primary carbon atom. So we have here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of primary carbon atom is 6. Then secondary it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So again it is 10. Coming to tertiary, how many tertiary are there? Tertiary we have only 4 carbons. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So tertiary carbon we have only 4. I'll just quickly erase out this thing so that you can take a screenshot.